Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Barnyard Millet Upma. A very filling, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. Very easy to make and it helps in weight loss. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add half cup of barnyard millet. Dry roast it for 2 minutes in low flame. After 2 minutes, you will start to get a very nice aroma. At this stage, remove from the pan and set it aside. Now to the same pan, add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of Urad Dhal, quarter teaspoon of Channa Dhal and quarter teaspoon of chopped ginger. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped and few curry leaves. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add 1 cup of water and quarter teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. Let's wait until the water comes to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so go ahead and add the roasted barnyard millet. Mix it well until the water completely dries up. Now the water has started to reduce, so close it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes in low flame. Open in between and give it a mix and close again and cook. Now the barnyard millet upma is in perfect consistency, so off the flame and sprinkle few chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Now our delicious and healthy barnyard millet upma is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some chutney and sambar and enjoy with your family and friends. Very healthy, easy and a delicious breakfast recipe. So do try this barnyard millet upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.